Good morning. Happy last week of third grade. You guys have done such an amazing job this year and toughed it out through some really hard times and some unexpected times. So you should be very proud of yourself. This week we will be having a few other things going on. I'll be having one-on-one meetings, so make sure you and your families have signed up for one of those with me this week and that I get you the information for our meeting if you need it. Also, make sure that you have set aside time next week to come by the school during one of our selected drop-offs or pickup times in order to pick up your stuff from the classroom, plus a little special something from me. I am looking forward to it. This week's going to be a little bit different. We've got some activities that are going to roll out today. We're going to start heavy and finish light for this week. So I'm going to go through some stuff for you in Seesaw. The first thing today is your Humanities 1. And here it's very simple. You're going to be reading a story called Summer Vacation and answering questions about it. Plus, then you've got your DLR. For math this week, every STEM this week, every single lesson is the exact same. What you have is that you have a board to choose from that has 6 or 7 different multiplication and division problems for you to choose from, and each day you just pick one. So you'll do 3 this week, 1 today, 1 tomorrow, and 1 on Wednesday. So you just have your DMR. And then it says demonstrate their understanding of multiplication by solving one problem from the math choice board. And slide 5 here is your math choice board. So it says multiplication practice. I was wrong. There are 9. So there are 9 things for you to choose from. There are flashcards. Create flashcards for the 5 times table you are having the most trouble memorizing. Practice these cards for 15 minutes each night. So make your own practice flashcards. Pizza. So here's a problem about pizza. You decided to order pizza for your birthday. You order 8 pies. Each pie has 8 slices. How many slices are there all together? After you solve, create 8 more pizza multiplication word problems. You're how old? Make a list of your age and 4 other family members' ages. Use multiplication to identify how old each person will be in 10 years, 100 years, 1,000 years, and 10,000 years. So remember, these are all just fun activities for you to practice and try, okay? Just try them. Factors, flip it. Flip over 3 cards from the deck, so just use any regular deck of cards if you have them at home. Create a 2-digit by 1-digit multiplication problem. So for example, if I turn over a 5, a 7, and a 3, I might do 57 times 3. And I'm like, oh my gosh, that's huge. But remember, 57 plus 57 plus 57. Okay, 9 times rhyme. Create a rhyme with each of the 9 times facts. For example, 9 times 7. 9 and 7 climb a tree. They fell out and made number 63. Baseball master. Joe practices his baseball swing for 3 hours each day. Last month, he practiced for 27 days. How many hours did Joe spend practicing his baseball swing altogether? Some vocabulary mini review. Make a mini dictionary defining the following words and give an example. Repeated addition, array, factor, product, cumulative property. Fast flipping. Use a deck of cards with numbers 0 through 10. So take out the jacks, queens, kings. You could have the ace. Ace is number 1. You could have maybe the jack, queen, or king symbolize the 0. So a face card would be 0 and then ace through 10. Okay, for 1 through 10. Quickly flip over cards. Find the product of those 2 factors. Keep flipping and find the products until you go through the entire deck. So 0 times 10. You could have up to 10 times 10, but no more than that. Just 2 cards at a time. That's how it's different from this one. This one is a higher version, a harder version of this. Okay, and then estimation. Describe a real-life multiplication situation for which an estimate makes sense to use. Explain why you would use an estimation and give an example. Okay, and here are those 9 choices in Spanish for those of you that need that. Okay, so those are going to be your activity for math and STEM every day this week, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Okay, I've rolled out one more activity for you to start today, but you can do it. It's more of a fun one. And so here it's a reflecting on me. So we've done a lot of social emotional lessons since we have been at home during this quarantine. And I really want you to reflect on you. And so here's a template and an example of me filling this out. And I want you to watch my video and then I want you to create it on your own. Okay, so you'll have the same template, and I want you to use emojis and words and a video to reflect on who you are. It talks about strengths, weaknesses, um, things that make you happy, how your friends describe you, strengths. So it's just a fun little activity for you to do. I look forward to seeing you guys. Today is our last drive-through for packet pickup. So if you need a paper packet, please come get that today from school between 11 a.m. and 3 p.m. And if you want food, come get that from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. Next week, we will not be doing food because it is Labor Day week. No, sorry, Memorial Day week. Memorial Day week, and we will not be giving food. But then every Monday throughout the month of June, we will have pickup for food at school. So I hope to see you guys. Bye.